In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this wire art. This is how the scene looks like. I have a background sphere, a background plane, and 3 plane-based wire art meshes. The wire meshes are duplicated meshes that were just scaled and rotated to make them look like unique meshes. This was the original mesh with a wave modifier added. This mesh was created by using the active selection method I have shown you yesterday. I have created a plane with subdivisions and typed 2 to edge select. I held the Shift key to active select, and expanded the selection. Once I selected the loops, and pressed Ctrl I, as in India, to invert the selection and removed the vertices in the middle. After that, I added a wave modifier, and subdivided it to make it look smooth. Once the final mesh was created, I duplicated it and applied all modifiers. Here are my modifier settings. Shift D to duplicate, and hide the original mesh. After applying all the modifiers, duplicate, rotate, and scale the new meshes. I'll show you the material details. The wire meshes are using an emission shader. I'm using Eevee with bloom turned on. Please adjust the bloom settings any way you like. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.